Honored leaders and visitors, welcome to our assembly factory. This assembly factory is the biggest auto assembly workshop in Shaanxi Auto Holding Group, hereinafter called Shangqi. Assembly here is the last process before marketing and the most valuable process in the auto manufacturing chain. The assembly lines have the ability to batch produce different types of vehicles, including tractors, tippers, cargo trucks, NGV trucks, and all-wheel drive off-road trucks. So far, we have a total production of 550,000 units, with a monthly peak of 13,000 units and an annual peak of 100,000 units. The factory has won a series of honors like National Worker Pioneer, National Model Worker Family, and Advanced Basic Level Party Organization in Shaanxi Province. The factory was titled as Advanced Team by Shangqi several times. We have successfully received many leaders such as Li Keqiang, Zhang Dejiang, Wen Jiabao, Zhao Leji, Zhao Zhengyong, and Lou Jinqian, who came to the workshop to conduct site surveys. The interior section of the workshop contains an advanced car industry assembly process, a wide slide conveyor line. The line is 316 meters long with 66 sliding blocks and 58 operating stations. This includes the assembly of cab interiors, wires, air conditioning, instrument panels, front windshields, seats, etc. The production rate of the interior line is 3 minutes a unit with a daily capacity of 300 to 350 cabs. The distance between stations on the assembly line is 12.8 meters. The assembly line consists of Line A and Line B. Line A is 185 meters long with 13 assembly stations, including the assembly of axles, leaf springs, transmission shafts, etc. Line B is 280 meters long with 21 operating stations, including the assembly of engines, gearboxes, steering gears, cabs, wheels, diesel filling, antifreeze liquid filling, etc. The production rate of the assembly line is 6 minutes a unit with a daily peak of 420 units with a monthly peak of 13,000 units. The debugging section adopts a combined mode with process flow and independent operation. This includes the test of axle weight, shaft weight, brake systems, front lamps, exhaust gas analysis, rainproof performance, etc. After self-testing and finishing, the vehicle would be put into storage if the whole inspection is qualified. We are trying to build a factory to meet future development with networking, digitalization, information, and intelligence. We hope you enjoy your visit to Shaanxi.